Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of window treatments and tackling a popular choice: installing wooden blinds. Whether you're looking to add warmth, texture, or privacy to your space, wooden blinds can be a stylish and functional addition to any room. So, grab your tools, and let's get started with this step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Gather your tools and materials. You'll need your wooden blinds, pre-cut to fit your window, a screwdriver, a pencil, a level, measuring tape, mounting brackets, screws, and wall anchors if needed. Step 2. Measure and mark the mounting points. Start by measuring the width of your window and marking the center point with a pencil. Then, measure and mark the placement of your mounting brackets on either side of the center point, ensuring they are evenly spaced and aligned with the top edge of the window frame. Step 3. Install the mounting brackets. Using your pencil marks as a guide, hold each mounting bracket in place and mark the positions of the screw holes on the wall. If your blinds are wide or heavy, you may need to use wall anchors to secure the brackets properly. Step 4. Attach the valance clips, if applicable. If your wooden blinds come with a valance, now's the time to attach the valance clips to the headrail. Simply slide the clips onto the front of the headrail at each end and in the center, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Step 5. Install the wooden blinds. With the mounting brackets in place, it's time to install the wooden blinds. Carefully lift the blinds into position, making sure they are centered within the window frame and aligned with the mounting brackets. Then, secure the blinds to the brackets by inserting the front lip of the headrail into the open slot on each bracket. Step 6. Test and adjust. Once the blinds are securely installed, give them a test run to make sure they operate smoothly. Raise and lower the blinds several times to ensure they move freely and evenly. If needed, adjust the tension screws on the side of the headrail to fine-tune the operation. And there you have it, a step-by-step tutorial on installing wooden blinds. With a little patience and attention to detail, you can easily transform your windows with these stylish and versatile window treatments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tutorials and home improvement tips. Thanks for watching and happy installing!